Hello? Hello. I am just going to move myself a little closer and we're gonna start. So, this is the second edition of my first ever my first ever series, and it's called Already Unboxed, where I try to recreate the unboxing experience of the product as best as possible without sacrificing on review quality. So let's go. I'm guessing, yeah, transition. Right, so today we're going to be unboxing the GAN 354M V2, which is a Rubik's Cube. GAN makes really nice speed cubes. Good. Last episode we did the Uncle P3s, if you'd like to check that out.
Music licensing reimagined.
Say there. Okay, right, so we're going to be unboxing it, so let's get right into it without delay. So the box itself is nice.
Artlist.io.
It's got lots of Chinese on the back. If anyone can, well, actually, we'll get Google Translate. Translate with photo.
Music licensing reimagined.
No, don't do that. I'll just Google answer. So we want to translate. There we go, Chinese to English. So the first two lines, so it's a GAN Rubik's Cube. C packaging material.
Artlist.io.
Appropriate age 6 years. So it's a this black thing is certificate. I'm guessing that means not for use for children under 3 years old. It's made in China.
Music licensing reimagined.
GAN 354 Patch Explorer Edition, because it's got the springs in it, and I think that's it. Let's go into the unboxing, but before we do that, actually, we're going to talk about it. So the GAN 354M V2, why is that such a mouthful, is a really nice cube. I use it. It's my main cube. Great for the price. And corner cut, I think it says 45 degrees or something.
Music
or something like that. I got this for 34 quid off Amazon, and I moved it with some cubicle weight 5 lube, I think. Yeah. And then it turns pretty well. Now I'm going to put you back down so we can unbox the thing. So the paper box is a nice thing. This came in a bigger box, but I can't find it, so that's the thing about Already Unboxed. Now first turns. I haven't cubed in a while. And then I'm just going to do a quick solve on it. It should be shown somewhere. There you go. And then in this box, you don't need that. In this box, we've got a GAN bag with some springs in it. These are the ones that come with the cube, and I use the ones close to them. And this shows you how to solve the Rubik's Cube, and tells you like how to change springs and stuff. Although you can just change them with your hands, which is pretty cool. You just pop the top off. You go. There's a little spring in there, and it says 0.6, 0.8, and then there's like a, I think it's like a make it come outside, and then you because that's 0.6. Okay. Have to like give it a bit, and then this gets rid of this, and then you open these by twisting the top. You grab a spring and you put them in there. Oh no, these are the ones that come with the cube. And then yeah, you're good. I'll fix that later. We're just gonna put that aside. Right, I've fixed all of that. Now we can get onto the cube itself. So it turns really well. Surprisingly, I'm just going to do a quick solve on it. And there you go, solved. Right. My final thoughts. It's a great cube for the price. It'd be a great cube anyway. I really like it personally. You don't have to buy the extra springs, although they do only cost you like £5 more. So if you were going to buy the cube, I'd recommend buying the springs, but I never use them really. So if you don't want to buy the springs, don't buy the springs. The turning is great. It's a bit expensive because you can buy a Moyu RS3M for a third of the price. Well, even more than that really. So if you're just getting into cubing, buy a Moyu RS3M, link in the description. It's not an affiliate link, I'm just, you know. And this cube, also link in the description. Well, that's great. Are we done? We're done.